Kevin, we're back here in the Icon Room with Shlomi from ThanQ. Shlomi, what's nice?
We had so much great feedback from the show, the raffle with alle Menschen am gewinnen following.
And the Mackenzie toaster. The guy just sent me a picture. He loves the Mackenzie toaster. It sits in his china closet. It's in his kitchen. He likes in the china closet.
I hope he has a plug.
What's nice? So, kommt die Pino auf der Welt. Und man darf du was, was doen. Das soll kommen.
Menschen haben mich gefragt, nur das gemachte Videos wegen Mishloach Manos. When es geht am Mishloach Manos, then we decided we need to call you back again for the Mishloach Manos.
Mishloach Manos zu geben. Ich habe die ganze Tisch aufgesetzt, du schön.
Mishloach Manos is a very appreciation to sagen thank you and thank you again.
Thank you again.
It's a ganze Zeit. Thank you darf man sagen ist für Team for the Malamdam, Team for the organizations given for the donors,
the companies for their
workers, for the vendors. Them say alle Menschen darf man sagen thank you, appreciation for geben business, triggering business.
It's unbelievable. Sag gibt der Platz, thank you. In Süden, man steht auf Moidani, ich gehe schlafen mit Moidani. Einer nach dem Speaker, am ganzen Tag singt man einer nach dem Speaker. Man can't say enough thank you.
Thank you. I got to thank you.
Ja, we got an einigen, if I live 1,000 years, if we live 1,000,000 years, there will never be enough thank yous.
Thank you. There was specifically this is a Mackenzie-Childs, but this is sold out. We got in and somebody a corporate
sold
company.
Out, a corporate company took
it. And Mackenzie doesn't have it till July. Again, more than.
Let's go back, man. You're a authorized seller for Mackenzie.
Correct.
That means so the Zaya Vining stores was verkaufen Mackenzie.
In upstate New York, I mean, it's Muncie and Monroe. We are the authorized dealer.
You're the only store in Muncie and Monroe that sells Mackenzie.
Wow. Yeah.
Mackenzie.
This is a wine holder with shot cups. This is for a tray with dips. Here you could clock for an office.
Shine office, a boss.
With a boss, straps personalizing. You put your logo on it, and you could give it for a nice boss, for a doctor's office, for lawyers, anything like that. This is a dip holder. Wine accessories.
Wow, okay, but kick the ganze Tisch do. Warte, Mackenzie, how do you get these so the Mackenzie comes with napkins also?
So they have napkins, thank you.
And the shot cups. Mackenzie shot cups. I'm gonna shot cups and heute noch for the men. Men haben die Mackenzie auch it? Or it's got the woman's liquor?
It's everyone, it's in the styles.
Mackenzie is for everybody.
It's for everyone, it's in the house, it's beautiful. Let's go to, again, Mishloach Manos. We have, this is a micro vase, this is Junuri. Junuri is also a very high-end company. It's a European company. Baccarat.
Let me just give an example for my followers. When we talk about Baccarat, this is a very high-end company. What does it cost as a vase?
As a vase, you're not going to believe the number, but it's $3,500.
$3,500 for such a vase. Wow. Unreal. What's it?
No, it's a crystal. It's a very high-end crystal. It's real gold.
Real gold.
Yeah,
you're saying it's real.
It's a real piece. It's a real deal.
So, so the eine was geben eine echte Scheine Mishloach Manos, and somebody who appreciates Baccarat and Mackenzie.
Then this is it.
This is for them.
Here's also a candlestick from Baccarat, the butterfly. George Jensen, the picture frames. Junuri holder with a Baccarat vase here again. And then here we're going to go the other side is the Mackenzie toaster.
The famous Mackenzie toaster was there gewonnen für mein status. Mackenzie toaster. Das ist nicht gemacht zu kochen, das ist gemacht zu legen in der China closet. Es kommt mit der Plug. Wir können es nutzen.
Really is. Here you have a vase, benches. You want to do again this is a coffee and creamer. The Kansas like coffee.
Very cute.
This is for the Menet. Menet is what I like do.
Your logo here.
Here, your logo. What I like for them. Cigars, cigar holder.
Cigar holder for the Menet.
For the Menet, it's made for the Menet.
Wow.
We do also personalize, as I told you. Then I made you a special box.
Wow, it's a treat.
We engrave on it. It's a wine holder.
What's that? It's beautiful.
It's a beautiful wine opener. We ship. We deliver. We ship also all over the United States. Then means say somebody wants. We put in a nice box, wine with the
wine and
It's beautiful.
You're saying if a company has a bunch of workers all over the United States, big company, he could just send you the addresses?
The addresses with the logo, and boom. And we send it out.
Great. Alles du an mich? What's nice?
This is George Jensen.
Again. You put the logos all over, shot cups,
diffuser, plug-in diffuser.
Oh, the frame.
So this is this is how the Nachamo Mackenzie.
Was nice, beautiful.
And it's nicht nur Mishloach Manos. I mentioned some a gift. It's a gift time in
it's a gift time.
Then it's giving gifts. Then it's in summer. Let me show you again.
I love this. I love the smells. Gifts are nice. Gifts, I always say I do videos all over the place. I go sometimes. A guy works in a tire shop. He's under a car all day, and his hands in the schmatz, and some just kind of in a gift store, pushing beautiful, it's gorgeous gifts. It's so pleasant.
Actually a good thing to work in that thing because I can't say my music it's always.
So you came to him with that good attitude. They come and say thank you.
How to say it and visit music, how to show appreciation for someone. Them here's the famous butterflies. Again, they have candles. They have candles, colored candles. They have vases. The ganze Sache.
It's all baccarat.
And then it's George Jensen vases.
Beautiful.
With balls. Michael Aram. We have J.
These names are all very cool and nice, but ich wollte rauskommen mit der Brand mir ist Janke Schlamovic und Moshe Friend. We get the name Baccarat and Mackenzie.
How to say it? We could go
you in it? I think we should open the shit with that brand. I don't know.
But
Moshe Finkelstein.
It's deep shiny Sachen.
That's what it's gorgeous.
We like
it's
only
gorgeous.
Things.
This stuff is gorgeous.
It's Shabbos dish, but we said it's Shabbos dish. Jede Woche Shabbos. You need nice things. If you make the brand, it gotta be nice stuff.
It has to be nice stuff.
If not,
you think it's not the name, Mackenzie. It's what they produce.
It's correct. It's the product, the quality. It was the Kimteros from them.
Exactly. Wow. Shlomi Januri is as popular as Mackenzie.
It's a different style. This is a different clientele. Like
so andere Mensch. So chassidische Litwische, so Januri mit Mackenzie. The Charles who's who. The chassidische Mackenzie or the Litwische Januri.
Right. So when you weg China closet direct.
So we have a traditional China closet or the modern
inside. Or this
is welche company?
This is Vista has the company. Also very nice things. They have nice trays actually.
Very cool. Cool.
Jewelry. We can go for jewelry, perfumes. It's also a time of giving that people give.
All the time.
It's vermeidlich for them. Get man the babysitter. Nog the lamme vazen. In Nogum we have a different line. It's not Purim, but it's coming Pesach, and a lot of people coming Pesach.
Linen.
Linen. Then we have a beautiful setup for linen. Here we have two beds set up, and then we have Zach and kitcheners.
Kitcheners. Kijk de pillows geven.
And here's the pillows.
Unbelievable. So we can come here for a full linen set geven. Get Pesach auf der Welt. Nach kitcheners, nach Dochenes, you need nice linen.
It's beautiful. Always to set up a beautiful bed. Kitchen is beautiful setup.
Stunning.
Beautiful new design.
Stunning.
Yeah.
Shloime, the only will order schon. The only way to get the Sachen. What's the website?
The website is ThanQ.Gifts. Nicht.com.
Gifts. How do you get that?
Gifts. Gifts. Then we could WhatsApp also 845-425-9100. And over there on the website we have the catalog with alle Shloich Munisses and also our products zu kaufen. And also personalization.
Engraving.
Then
correct.
We could do all kinds of engraving. You could WhatsApp us, call us, and we're gonna do it and ship it.
Nice.
Then it's gonna be stress-free.
Stress-free for the boss.
For the boss. Then you send us the list, your logo, the note what you want to attach, your budget, and that's it.
Taken care of. Shloime is taken care of you, Gevra.
You're gonna get it. Thank you. Thank you from everyone.
You get thank you from the clients. From jeder eine, was bekommt a thank you gift. You say thank you. Nachher Gevra, the thank you is with a Q. Kick up the ribbon do, gorgeous ribbon do. Thank you. ThanQ. Shloime, say it with thank you. Hat mir a freiliche Purim Gevra. Shloime promotion for Purim hast du von mich?
Ja, für alle
Perlowitz
followers. 10% off when you go on the website.
Nice.
You're gonna put in the code Perlowitz. 10% off till the 20th, next week Friday.
Till February 20th.
The guys on the show. Then Friday.
Till February 20th. Like it on the word Perlowitz on the website, and you get 10% off on your orders. Gevra, come on, corporate order and get a nice discount. Nor but thank you. Say it with thank you. Shloime hat mir a freiliche Purim.